Did you know that by the end of your day, your brain is literally too tired to make good decisions? From what to wear to life-changing choices, every decision drains your mental energy. This is called decision fatigue, a psychological state where your ability to make quality decisions gets worse. After making too many choices, your brain effectively starts to shut down its critical thinking. Every day you make hundreds, even thousands of decisions, and each one slowly drains your brain's limited mental energy. That's why many successful leaders wear the same outfit every day, to save that precious energy for what really matters. The secret? Make your biggest decisions first thing in the morning when your battery is at its peak. Stop overthinking the small stuff. Your brain will thank you. Ever wonder why it's so hard to choose what's for dinner after a long day at work? You're likely experiencing something called decision fatigue. Think of your decision-making ability like a battery. The more choices you make, the lower your energy becomes, making it harder to think clearly later in the day. When your brain is overloaded, it struggles to use logic and self-control. Instead, it starts choosing what's easiest, not what's best. This is why you might find yourself impulse buying at the grocery store or skipping the gym in the evening. Every choice, from what to wear to how to reply to an email, draws from the same limited power source. To fight this, automate small choices and tackle your most important decisions early in the morning. Preserve your battery for what truly matters. Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed by even the simplest choices by the end of the day? That's why decision fatigue leads to impulsive choices, procrastination, or even complete decision avoidance. Ever spent 30 minutes choosing what to watch after a long day? That's not laziness. It's mental exhaustion. It's simply the result of having too many decisions to make throughout the day. Our brains have a limited amount of mental energy each day. Every choice, no matter how small, uses it up. From picking an outfit to responding to emails, you're constantly draining your mental battery. To protect your energy, try automating small choices, prepare your meals, or pick your outfit the night before. This is why many successful people wear the same thing every day. They're saving brain power for the big stuff. Save your energy for what really matters. Have you ever felt completely drained after a long day of making even the simplest choices? That's decision fatigue. Over time, decision fatigue can make you feel overwhelmed and mentally drained, affecting your productivity and well-being. It's the psychological exhaustion that sets in after making many choices, leaving your brain searching for shortcuts. When your mental energy is low, you're more likely to make poor, risky, or emotional decisions instead of rational ones. To combat this, automate routine choices, like what you'll wear or eat, to save mental energy for what truly matters. Focus your best mental energy on your most important tasks early in the day when your willpower is at its peak. Remember that taking short, intentional breaks throughout the day can help reset your resources and keep you sharp. By managing your energy wisely, you can maintain clarity and make better choices for your life and work. Ever wonder why it's so hard to pick what's for dinner after a long day at work? This isn't just laziness, it's a phenomenon called decision fatigue. Every choice we make, from choosing an outfit to answering emails, drains our mental energy. As our willpower depletes, our brain starts looking for shortcuts. We either impulsively pick the easiest option or avoid making a choice altogether. This is why late-night snacks are so tempting and big decisions feel impossible. Understanding this helps us protect our energy for what really matters. Now you know why your brain struggles to choose by the end of the day? For more in-depth insights on decision fatigue, visit our blog. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful psychology content.